Hello friends, today we are watching the beautiful Japanese garden in Ramoji Film City. This garden is inspired by traditional Japanese style with lovely wooden bridges, small pagoda structure and neatly maintained greenery. It's a very peaceful and relaxing place inside the film city, perfect for taking photos and enjoying nature. The surroundings are calm and giving refresher experience. If you are visiting Ramoji Film City, this garden is definitely a must-see spot. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.